Welcome back to Speak Simple English, where we make English simple and enjoyable. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kevin. Thanks for being here with us today. Hey, Ashley, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about today's topic, ordering food at a casual restaurant.
Oh, wow, that's a great topic. Also, now I'm hungry.
Same. Talking about restaurants always makes me hungry.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had toast, eggs, and coffee. Nothing fancy. You?
I had cereal. Then I had a second breakfast.
A second breakfast?
Yes, I believe in strong mornings.
That explains a lot.
So today we're talking about ordering food at a casual restaurant. This is something almost everyone does.
Yes, and for English learners, this is one of the most important real-life conversations.
Because when you travel or live abroad, you eat out a lot.
And sometimes it feels stressful.
The menu is in English.
The server talks fast.
You don't know what to say.
And you worry about making mistakes.
But today, we're going to make this easy.
Very easy.
Slow, simple English.
Real conversations,
Real situations.
and a few funny stories too.
Definitely some embarrassing stories.
Mostly Kevin's.
Hey, that's not fair.
We'll see.
Okay, let's imagine a situation. You walk into a casual restaurant.
Not a fancy restaurant, not fast food, something in the middle.
Maybe a burger place.
Maybe a pasta place.
Maybe tacos.
Always tacos.
When you walk in, you might see a host or hostess.
This is the person who greets you and shows you to your table.
They might smile and say, "Hi, welcome."
Then they ask, how many people?
This means how many people are in your group.
If it's you and a friend, you say, table for two, please.
If you are alone, you say, "Just one, please."
Very simple, very common.
Let's do a role play. I'll be the host. Hi, welcome. How many people?
Hi, table for two, please.
Sure, right this way.
Thank you.
Done. That's it.
Easy start.
Now you sit at the table.
You get menus.
Sometimes the server comes quickly.
Sometimes you wait a minute.
The server might say, "Hi, my name is Chris. I'll be your server today."
Then they ask, can I get you something to drink?
Drinks come first in most restaurants.
You can say, I'll have water, please.
Or, "Can I get a soda?"
Or, I'd like iced tea.
Let's act it out. Hi, what can I get you to drink?
I'll have lemonade, please.
And for you?
Water is fine, thank you.
Great. I'll be right back.
Notice how simple that is.
You don't need big sentences.
Just clear and polite words.
Sometimes the server might make small talk.
Yes, very common in the US.
They might say, "How's your day going?"
You can say, good, thanks, or pretty good.
You don't need a long answer.
Just be friendly.
Now you look at the menu.
There are many choices.
Burgers, salads, pasta, sandwiches.
It can feel overwhelming.
Take your time.
You don't need to rush.
The server might come back and ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If you're not ready, say, can we have a few more minutes?
Or, "Not yet, thank you."
This is very normal.
No pressure. Okay, now you're ready.
Big moment.
The server asks, "What would you like?"
You can say, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Or, "I'll have the pasta."
Or, can I get the burger?
All are natural, all are correct. Let's do a full example. Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. What would you like on the side? Fries or salad?
Salad, please.
And to drink?
I'll have iced tea.
Perfect. That's a real restaurant conversation.
Very common.
Kevin, have you ever made a mistake when ordering?
Oh yes, many times.
Tell us one.
Okay, one time I was very hungry. I went to a restaurant and ordered a small pizza.
Sounds normal.
It was not small. It was huge. And
I ate the whole thing.
I'm impressed.
I was very full after that.
Good lesson. Always ask questions.
Yes, ask about size.
All right, we're back. So now we're sitting at the table, we've ordered drinks, and we're getting ready to order food.
Yes, and this is where many English learners feel nervous.
Very true, because now you have to speak more.
But remember, you don't need long sentences.
Simple is perfect.
Sometimes the menu has words you don't know.
That happens to everyone, even native speakers.
You can say, "Excuse me, what is this?"
Or, what comes with this?
That means what is included with the meal.
For example, maybe you order a burger.
You can ask, "Does it come with fries?"
Let's try that.
"Hi, are you ready to order?"
I think so. Does the burger come with fries?
Yes, it does.
Great. I'll have the burger, please.
See? Easy.
Very natural.
This is very important.
Yes, if you don't like spicy food.
You can ask, "Is this spicy?"
Or, how spicy is it?
Let's act it out. Are you ready to order?
Maybe. Is the chicken spicy?
A little spicy.
Okay, I'll try it.
Good communication.
No surprises later.
I have a spicy story.
Oh no.
One time I ordered wings at a restaurant.
That sounds normal.
I asked for extra spicy.
Brave.
Big mistake.
What happened?
I took one bite and I couldn't talk. I took one bite and I couldn't talk.
My eyes were watering, my face was red.
Did you finish them?
Of course not.
Good choice. Now I always ask, "How spicy is it?"
Lesson learned.
Sometimes you want to change something in your order.
Very common.
Maybe you don't like onions.
You say, no onions, please.
Maybe you want the sauce on the side.
Can I have the sauce on the side?
Maybe you don't eat meat.
Do you have anything vegetarian?
Let's do a role play. What would you like?
I'd like the pasta, but no mushrooms, please.
No mushrooms. Got it.
Thank you.
Easy and polite.
Always say please.
Now, let's imagine you're with friends.
Maybe 3 or 4 people.
The server might ask, "Are you all together?"
That means, are you one group?
You say, "Yes."
Then you order one by one.
Later, the server might ask, "One check or separate checks?"
This is very important.
One check means one bill for everyone.
Separate checks means each person pays for their own food.
You can say, "Separate checks, please."
Let's act it out.
Would you like one check or separate checks?
Separate checks, please.
No problem.
Very useful phrase.
Now let's talk about eating alone.
I think some learners feel shy about this.
But it's normal. Many people eat alone.
Yes, especially during lunch.
You walk in and say, "Just one, please."
You sit down.
You order,
Let's do a quick example.
"Hi, how many people?"
Just one, please.
Right this way. What would you like to drink?
Water, please.
Ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the salad.
That's it.
Simple and calm.
Sometimes the server speaks fast.
That happens.
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or can you speak more slowly?
That is okay.
Very okay.
People want to help you.
I remember one time I was very tired.
Uh-oh.
The server asked me a question, but I didn't understand.
What did you do?
I smiled and nodded.
Dangerous move.
Yes, I got a drink I didn't want.
What was it?
Root beer.
That's not bad.
It surprised me.
Now you ask for repetition.
Yes, always.
The server brings your food.
They might say, here you go.
You can say, "Thank you."
Always say thank you.
While you're eating, the server might ask, "How is everything?"
You can say, it's great, or everything is delicious.
Let's act it out. How is everything?
It's really good, thank you.
Glad to hear it.
Easy conversation.
Sometimes something goes wrong.
Maybe the food is cold, maybe it's the wrong order.
Stay calm, be polite.
Say, excuse me, I think this isn't my order. Or, this is a little cold.
Let's try it. Here's your pasta.
Oh, I'm sorry, I ordered a sandwich.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'll fix that right away.
Thank you. See? No problem.
Kind words help.
When you finish eating, you need the bill. In the US, we say check.
You can say, "Can we get the check, please?"
Or just make eye contact and smile.
Let's act it out. Can we get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Then you pay.
And say thank you again.
Always end with kindness.
You know, ordering food is not just about food.
It's about confidence.
It's about speaking in real life.
Small conversations.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Just simple words.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Be polite.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Every time you order food, you practice English.
And you get more confident. All right, we're back for the final part of today's episode.
Yes, and I think we've covered a lot already.
We talked about walking into the restaurant,
Ordering drinks,
asking questions,
making special requests.
fixing mistakes politely.
But now let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about real-life feelings.
Yes, because ordering food is not only about words.
It's about confidence.
Imagine this. You just arrived in a new country. You're tired, maybe a little nervous.
You're hungry. You walk into a small restaurant. Everything is in English.
Your heart is beating a little fast.
The host says, "Hi, how many?"
You pause for 1 second,
Then you say, "Just one, please."
and you did it.
That small moment feels big.
I remember my first time traveling alone.
Oh yeah? Where?
I went to another state for a conference. I didn't know anyone there.
That can feel lonely.
Yes, I walked into a restaurant by myself. I felt shy.
What did you say?
The host said, "How many?" And I said, "Just one."
That sounds simple,
It was simple, but it felt powerful.
because you did it alone.
Exactly.
Sometimes small sentences give you big confidence.
Let's do one full, slow example from beginning to end.
Yes, like a full scene in a movie.
I'll be the customer, you be the server and host.
Okay, I'm ready. Hi, welcome. How many people?
Hi, table for two, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tom. I'll be your server today. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll have water, please.
And are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes?
Of course, take your time.
Short pause.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken sandwich.
Great choice. What side would you like?
Salad, please.
And to drink?
Just water is fine.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out.
Short pause.
Here you go. How is everything?
It's really good, thank you.
After eating,
Excuse me, can we get the check, please?
sure, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
That's the full experience.
And notice how simple every sentence was.
No difficult grammar.
No long speeches.
Let's talk about feeling nervous.
Yes, many learners feel nervous before speaking.
Your hands feel a little sweaty.
Your heart beats fast.
That's normal.
Very normal.
When I was younger, I felt nervous ordering in another language.
What helped you?
I practiced simple phrases at home.
That's smart.
I would say out loud, "I'd like this, please."
Practice builds comfort.
And once you say it in real life, it feels amazing.
Yes, you think, wow, I did that. I have one more funny story.
I'm ready.
One time I went to a breakfast place. The server asked, "How do you want your eggs?"
That's a common question.
I panicked and said, "Yes."
Oh, not again.
I forgot the words scrambled and fried.
So what did you get?
Scrambled. Luckily, I like scrambled eggs.
Good ending.
Yes, but I learned to practice food words.
That's important. Learn basic food vocabulary.
Sometimes you don't like the food,
That happens.
but you don't need to be rude.
If it's okay but not great, you can just say it's okay.
If there's a real problem, say it politely.
Excuse me, this is a little cold.
Always calm voice.
Restaurants are busy places. Mistakes happen.
You know, ordering food is one of the best ways to practice English.
Because it's real.
You're not just studying.
You're living the language.
Every please and thank you builds confidence.
Every question builds courage.
And every small mistake helps you grow.
So next time you go to a restaurant, don't be afraid.
Take a deep breath.
Smile.
Speak slowly.
And remember, simple English is good English.
You don't need perfect grammar to communicate.
You just need the courage to try.
And when you try, you improve.
That's how language works.
Small steps,
Real conversations.
real confidence.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
I'm still thinking about pancakes.
Of course you are.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!